How can I specify the function type in my type hints? How can I specify the type hint of a variable as a function type? There is no typing.function, and I could not find anything in the relevant PEP, PEP 483.
As at John Sharp noted in a comment, this can be done with typing.callable. Note, callable on its own is equivalent to callable ... any. Such a callable takes any number and type of arguments, ... and returns a value of any type, any. If this is too unconstrained, one may also specify the types of the input argument list and return type. For example, given the corresponding annotation is. That is, the parameters are subscripted in the outer subscription with a return type as the second element in the outer subscription. In general,
Another interesting point to note is that you can use the built-in function type to get the type of a built-in function and use that. So you could have or something of that form.
In Python 3 it works without import typing.
My specific use case for wanting this functionality was to enable rich code completion in PyCharm. Using callable didn't cause PyCharm to suggest that the object had a ._code_ attribute, which is what I wanted, in this case. I stumbled across the types module and from types import function type. Allowed me to annotate an object with function type and, voila! PyCharm now suggests my object has a ._code_ attribute. The op wasn't clear on why this type hint was useful to them. Callable certainly works for anything that implements ._call_, but for further interface clarification, I submit the types module. Bummer that Python needed two very similar modules.